Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the XIAOMI Redmi Pad tablet, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can pack files into archives quickly and conveniently on this device. So to begin with, I would like to point out that we are going to use the free RAR application for that. You can get it from the Play Store obviously. If you are facing any issues with, well, earlier mentioned step, we have a separate video on it, so make sure to check it out. So with this out of the way, we can just launch the RAR application, then find the file that you would like to archive or pack into an archive such as RAR or zip format. So mine should be at the download folder. Here it is, the PDF file. So just select this file, tap on the archive with a plus sign, choose the archiving options that you would like to go with. So RAR, choose the archive format, so RAR, zip or RAR 4.x. Decide whether you would like for the original file to be removed after it will be archived. Create solid archive. Well, what else can you do? Change the name for it. Set password for it if you would like to as well and make it more secure. You can change the compression type, the dictionary that will be used for the archiving, and a bunch of other preferences if you would like to dive even deeper into it. So once you're ready to pack, once you're ready to zip the file, just tap on the OK option over here, and as you can see, the archive gets created. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.